Auntie. So we're gonna go feed these chickens. And look, it's snowing again. Yay! But I don't know if you could hear them, but they're a little mad. I haven't come out here yet. Usually I'm out, well, I've told you, at 4:15 in the morning. Hi, girls. Well, hi, Jazzy. Oh, I don't think I checked for eggs yesterday. So, whoops. I got my handy dandy little selfie stick. Today I'm giving them some fruit for breakfast. And also some of this. That's scraps from work. Cucumbers and such. Oh, I see you guys were doing a little bathing, huh? There you go. Hi, girls. I wonder if I can get it to stand up on its own. Whoops, it flipped it. No, I don't. There we go. Hi, girls. So I got some cucumber scraps, which they like. They like the cucumber peels, and some spinach. Yes, Jazzy, I know I don't have your little mealy worms. Joe, I gotta get your water bowl. Joe, why are you eating the snow? Mommy, why do I do anything? So I'm gonna leave you here with the chickens for a little bit, Auntie. There we go. So I can get the chickens some water and some bugs. What are you doing, Roses? There's your water. There we go. As you can see, they know I have. What are you doing? Come on. Would you let me get it in there? Come on. Sassy. You are so sassy, girls. I like the mealworms the best. So there is their oysters and grit for their digestion and their food. Hi, girls. Well, they're very happy that I fed them. All right. So there's your 6-minute video of my goofy chickens. I love you, Auntie Hedda. Hope you enjoyed the video.